And according to the ncap testing, definitely the results of cars are falling below what we understand should be the standard for Latin American markets.
So here you have the Mexican version of the Hyundai, least expensive version of a sedan that you can buy there. But unfortunately in the crash test you can see that the body shell has really crumpled extremely badly with the forces of the crash. The door area has collapsed, the A-pillar is bent, the steering wheel has moved back, and with just 2 airbags the level of protection in the occupant zone is really rather poor, with a high risk of fatal or serious injury. The contrast with this version, which is an American Hyundai, the body shell has really performed well. There are 6 airbags. You can see even the windscreen is more or less intact.
One reason why manufacturers might be doing these kind of differences across the border is one type of regulation in the Mexican market and the other one in the US market. And on top of that, we have also a difference in terms of consumer information. We believe that if in Mexico we have a much more powerful and much more broad consumer information, like for example the star ratings of Latin ncap, as they do have consumers in the US, the difference, the gap will be much shorter, or probably they wouldn't exist.
It's the world.